How many wallets hold over 10,000 XRP? Well, it's a lot more than it was a couple months ago, as I've noticed a huge spike in wallets overall, ranging all the way from 100 XRP to 1 million. And now that XRP is only 31% away from all time highs, you would think people would be taking profit with their XRP, but the opposite is happening. So make sure you stay around towards the end of the video, where we will also share the giveaway winner. So if you're a holder of XRP or just enjoyed the XRP videos, be sure to leave a like down below. With that said, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first, let's just show the giveaway winner for the $50 worth of XDC. Now, to enter, you have to comment down below XDC and leave a like down below on the previous video. So the winner was Jay Jackson. So comment down below your X account at, I will DM you and get the funds sent as quick as possible. Now moving on to the spike and XRP wallets. Now first, a shout out to at TraderView2 for finding out this information, because in the wallets holding 100 XRP and above, since the beginning of December, we have seen a spike of 80,000 wallets. That is insane. Moving on to 1,000 XRP, a spike from 872,873 to 913, but 10,000 XRP, the main purpose of this video, we have seen a spike of 10,000 wallets. Now remember, this is a lot of money. This is the top 5% of XRP holders, and all of these charts have been flatlined for about a year. And the most interesting part about it all is the growth in the whale wallets holding over 1 million XRP. This is the biggest spike out of them all, reaching 2,600 wallets. This growth in the past 60 days is comparable to the past couple years. So we're seeing retail and whales at the same, because there's hype, there's FOMO, and there's quiet accumulation by insiders, but only for XRP. If we look at Bitcoin, there's actually a decline, and the same with Ethereum. Why? It is showing confidence in XRP's regulatory future, because Gary Gensler is departing on January 20th. And this is going to be the biggest positive crypto move in terms of administration we have ever seen. Not just for Ripple XRP in terms of the case reaching a favorable result, potentially even a settlement, but just cryptocurrency in general, right? Increased clarity, which is going to cause innovation, acceleration. Companies and businesses are going to feel more ease innovating, sharing ideas without having the threat of a regulatory crackdown. And if you remember, there was even companies who were going to launch a certain program. The SEC said they're going to sue you over this, and they never got a response as to why. They were not giving clear guidelines, and that's why clarity is so important. A new, less aggressive SEC chair could be more collaborative rather than ruling strict enforcement. Also, global positioning for the resignation, right? Because we're going to see these teams, companies that have left the US because of the harsh regulatory environment coming back. We already see Ripple committing to the US, 70% of hires being there. And the Ripple CEO has shown this commitment in person, having dinner with Donald Trump. Not long after, also, we're seeing the Ripple president say that the XRP ETF is imminent, and it should be after the Bitcoin and Ethereum one. Many think Solana is next. So we're going to have clear regulatory framework, potentially FOMO with the Bitcoin strategic reserve, and it always trickles down to other cryptos like XRP. We're going to see expansion on ETF offerings and major inflows. And now moving on to the price part of the video. Now, when I asked this question, XRP price bounce question mark, we were down in dumps in terms of price, right? Bitcoin wicked down to 90K. Everyone thought it was over, and we have seen a great recovery. And in these situations, you want to look for the strongest altcoins that have the biggest bounce, because it shows that people are on the sidelines. There's demand there, and they are waiting for those pullbacks. And XRP is clearly one of these cryptocurrencies, right? If we go to the charts, we look at the RSI, there was a slight, break there to the middle of the range, and it looks like we're going back up to the upside. And XRP was one of the only cryptos to close in the green yesterday. Also, if we go to XRP against Bitcoin on TradingView, we can see these bottoms occur in 2021, 2023, 2024, with a down sloping trend and a breakout continuing and constantly meeting this resistance faced in 23, 2022, and May of 2021. If this is broken through, price discovery will be hit. And my final target has always been for XRP $10. And XRP is breaking out against Ethereum, right, on par with the 2021 highs. If that were to happen today and we took the second place in terms of all cryptocurrencies, that is only a 2.5x from where we are right now, not even reaching the target of $10. We are closer than ever. Finally, I want to touch on the RLUSD, the Ripple stablecoin progress very quickly, right, in talks with Cardano blockchain. Also, the volume 7xing from the first week of launch, and also integrating with Chainlink. They are partnered with Swift. And although Chainlink provide the pricing data for RLUSD on Ethereum, we hope to see it on the XRP ledger very soon. A lot of people are overlooking this stablecoin where it could become the real world asset liquidity hub, where Ripple can already leverage their existing network of banks and fintechs to become a launch pad for RLUSD. Pay attention to what is happening. But that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. Today we went over the price spike, how that relates to the price that we are seeing in XRP, and how close we are to the second position out of all cryptocurrencies. If you enjoyed this segment about the Ripple stablecoin, be sure to check out this video here, learning all about it, and I will leave it in the top right there for you to check out. But if it's fun video, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
There's been an influx of XRP ETF filings, both in and out of the US. How do you view all of this? How do you view these filings?
Well, I think part of the transition from maybe more speculative retail into more institutional adoption and participation is the ETF step. Certainly, the Bitcoin ETF getting approved, the SEC was dragged kicking and screaming a little bit towards that outcome. But getting the Bitcoin ETF, I think, was a monumental event in terms of expanding the ability for others to participate, particularly institutional investors. So to me, I think I said then publicly that if people would ask me, is there going to be an XRP ETF? And I just look, it's inevitable that there will be an XRP ETF. And now I think I actually don't even know. I think there's 4 or 5 different filings here in the US. I know at least one in Europe. And I think it's great. I think it's, again, not surprising. I certainly hope that we'll see some of those approved soon, and we'll see them trading so others can participate in the ecosystem that otherwise might not be able to because they don't want to custody crypto themselves, or other reasons that may exist. But I'm excited for sure, and I think it's a great sign not just for XRP, but I think it's a great sign for crypto broadly.